Hello everyone, welcome back to Liveatpcdotcom. My name is Afik and I am exhausted. Today, I'm bringing you in the comfort of my own room. So today, my entire office is working from home, but I feel like that shouldn't stop me from making videos. And for today's video, I thought we will be unboxing some Huawei products. These just arrived in the mail today. I am very excited to share with you guys. We received 2 products, but for tonight, I am going to unbox with you guys the HUAWEI FreeBuds Studio. Look at that. It looks so cool. Now, I'm a music lover and a musician, so you will always see me wearing headphones wherever I go. So I'm actually very excited to open this box and see what's inside and test out the product. I will also be reviewing this, so stay tuned to my full review on liveatpcdotcom. So without any further ado, let's get to the unboxing. Okay, do we need scissors? Okay. Alright, we don't need scissors, so that's good. Just like open this up. I feel like, oh my god, this is like so new. I feel so bad from opening it, you know? It's got that new headphone smell. I don't know. Okay, so alright, it's opening. I feel like I'm giving birth or something. What? Never mind. Forget I said that. Oh wow, so it comes in a case like this. So alright, so let's see what's in the box. Yeah, let's see what this is. Right, so this is, okay, so this is the instruction manuals and the warranty card. Very important to have, okay? But we're gonna skip the manual for today because we're just unboxing for this video. I'm so excited to open this, okay? Okay, first can we talk about this casing there, Huawei? Can we just talk about that? It's like so cool. Oh, bruh. These are beautiful. I want one. Let's take it out of the box. Okay, so it has labels, okay? So you can know which one is left and right. Can I keep them? Huawei, can I keep them? I only have 2 weeks with this, okay? Can I, oh my god. Okay, let's see how it feels on the head. Oh my god, these are noise cancelling. This is cool, this is awesome. So I should point out that this has not been released yet. So I am literally one of the first people to try this on. And I am honored. Oh my god. This actually feels very comfortable. Okay, this is like my first impression. This is not scripted whatsoever. Okay, this is my first impression of the headphones. I can definitely see why it's considered like noise cancelling because I can only hear my voice in my head right now. Like there's not much sound going on. Like if I take them off, I can hear the things like outside my door right now. But if I put them back on, nothing. Oh my god, I could barely hear myself whisper. This is so cool. Okay, let's try turning them on. Okay, it's turning on. Okay, it's pairing. Okay, it's pairing. Alright, let's play some music. So obviously these headphones are wireless and they have Bluetooth. So let's test how it sounds. Guys, I'm so excited. Okay, okay, there it is. The HUAWEI FreeBuds Studio. Let's see how it sounds like, people. Let's play some Blackpink, shall we? Let's play something from their album. Let's play Pretty Savage. This is on full volume. Oh my god, it sounds so cool. Blackpink in your area. This sounds so amazing. Oh my god, I'm a mess. Okay, so it sounds so cool. Okay, now let's try some rock songs, okay? Okay, let's try some Flyleaf. Guys, oh my god. Okay, so there's a feature on here. If you click on the ANC awareness, it basically captures the sound that's around you. So it's almost as if like your ears are like listening through a hole in the headphone. That sounds really cool. Let's try another setting. Noise cancelling. Okay, so it's noise cancelling right now. So oh my god, everything just this is scary. Everything just went quiet. Oh my god. I am having the best time with this. So yeah, that is the unboxing video. That is it for the HUAWEI FreeBuds Studio unboxing and first impression. And I have to say, I am very impressed. So yeah, I can't wait to experience this fully for 2 weeks. And stay tuned for my full review for the headphones when it's out on liveatpcdotcom. Thank you all for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to follow us on our social media at liveatpcdotcom on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And I will see you all in the next video.